Perfect, perfect, perfect.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So as you guys can see, I'm rocking some cornrow braids right now. I did these braids using the feeding method, and I just want to show you guys how I did it. This is not a tutorial because I'm still learning, but if you guys are interested, keep watching. So for this style, I'll be using expression hair, and you can use whichever type of hair you prefer. It doesn't have to be expressions. As you guys can see, the hair is very long, so right now I'm cutting it into half, and I'm gonna take both sections and cut it once again. So in total, I'll be working with 4 pieces. So if you're still watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Also turn on your bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I post a new video. Right now I'm showing you guys the ends of the hair, and as you can see, it's very blunt, and that's not the look that I'm going for. So the next step will be to feather the hair, and that basically means I'm gonna pull out the strands just like you see me doing in the video, and this is gonna make the ends look more smooth, more natural, and it's also gonna make the hair much more longer. Now I'm separating the hair into smaller pieces, and I think I use about 8 pieces of hair per cornrow. I'm not sure, but you want to start off by taking very small sections, so that's going to be for the beginning of your cornrow, and you will gradually add more hair as you go along. This step is very important, and it's going to save you a lot of time, so make sure you have your hair separated before you start braiding your hair. So these are the pieces of hair I have separated for my braid. As you can see, I started off with small section and I gradually added more hair. It's about 9 pieces of hair, and that's the amount I use per cornrow. So it's the next day and my hair has been washed, conditioned, stretched, and all that good stuff. I also parted my hair from the night before so I can braid in one go without having to stop and part my hair. So if you guys are braiding your hair, that will be a very good tip. And right now I'm showing you guys my parts. They are not as straight as I would like them to be, but they are not too bad. So these are the products I use for moisture, shine, and hold. I use the hemp seed oil on my scalp. I really love this oil. It's very moisturizing and it smells so good. I use the jam I use the jam to smooth out my hair, and it also gives me good amount of shine, and the got to be gel is for extra hold. Right now I'm showing you guys my first braid, and it took me a while to figure out what the heck I was doing. But like I said before, this is not a tutorial, but in case you're wondering how I did my braid, I'm going to show you guys, and hopefully this might be helpful to someone. So you want to start off by doing a regular cornrow. I think I braided my hair about 4 times before I started adding hair. Then I'm gonna take the smallest piece of hair and I'm gonna slide it through my index finger like you see me doing right now. And I hold the piece of braiding hair with my index finger and add the rest of the hair along with my hair. Take a little bit of Got to Be gel and continue braiding. Not sure if my explanation makes any sense, but I'm hoping you guys are able to follow what I'm doing. So I'm not sure if I'm doing this correct, but this is how I was able to add the pieces of hair into my cornrow. I'm sure there are so many different ways to do the feeding method, so do whatever works for you. So back to braiding, I continue braiding my hair like a regular cornrow, and I braid down for about 3 to 4 times before adding a new piece of hair, and I just continue repeating the same steps till I reach all the way down. So I'm done braiding my hair, and do y'all see how stiff these braids are? But anyway, I'm gonna apply some of this and Jackie's mousse all over my hair just to smooth down all the flyaways. Then I'm gonna go in and do my baby hairs, and I'm sorry that the camera is out of focus, but that is what I'm doing. And the final step is to dip the ends of the braids into some hot water to seal the ends. So this is the end result, you guys. As you can see, the braids are very neat. I love how they came out. They are a little stiff. I think it's because I applied too much pressure while braiding the ends, but otherwise I am very happy with the results. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave your comment down below. I would love to know your thoughts on my braids, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one.